15 amazing model homes. That's what one of the best builders in the nation is offering you, giving you a ton of options. The home we'll be looking at today is called Residence 1 in the Walnut neighborhood. I'm Andre, the Cali Valley Realtor. I tour new and resale homes for you. I also provide you with tons of content on this channel about Central Valley cities to help you narrow down which city you would like to move into. And if you click this QR code here, you can get access to book a time with me, to set up a virtual tour, or to get access to all of my free tools, which are there to help you. Now, if you stay till the end, I'll give you tons more information about this specific community, and it is by appointment only. So when you are ready to come out here and check them out, reach out and I will get you set up so we can tour the homes. Got questions? Viewers reach out all the time. Make sure you do too. I'm happy to help. Now, let's start the tour.
I got you. This is the official family anthem. You know the ones you grown up with. If you love your family, stand up and say,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you.
woo.
Hey daddy, I got you.
Your brother,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Daddy walk in the house, looking a mess, stress. Mom show him love, quick reminder he blessed. Bro on the games like he a big shot. Sis texting about new clothes she got. Sound familiar? It ought to be the real deal. Yes, it's your family. The loved ones repping where you come from. A bond recognized from the birth to the slum. We play different parts, but in the same band. You the front, we represent the back of your hand. It always hold those, that's our biggest fans. As the one place we stay in demand. We all play a role in keeping the fam whole and seeing success together is our goal. So when I call their name, do as I do. Point to them and tell them, yo, I got you. Yo, brother.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
Yo, brother.
I got you.
Yo, sister.
Sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Now life is a fight that will test your bond, but we super glue connected till life is gone. And no matter the struggle from the path we on, dedication stay there. Lines are clearly drawn, so we must be real despite how the fam feel.
Careful,
'Cause our words can scar like steel. Protecting those we love is ideal for my fam. Now will I give my life?
sure will.
So it's time, take us away and we drift. We may only unite when one of us goes stiff. And yet, the ones we love to death at times wanna choke them till nothing's left. But we fam, so begrudge ain't how we get down. Disrespect my heart, we going round. Speaking on my fam sick, you got the flu. See a doc while I tell my fam, I got you.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
yo brother,
Your sister, I got you.
hey
Hey
mama,
mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la la la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la la la. Now if you love your fam just like I, tell 'em I'ma have your back till I die. We family, no need to ask why.
That's real, y'all. That's the deal, y'all.
Now if you love your fam just like I, tell 'em I'ma have your back till I die. We family, no need to ask why. That's real, y'all.
So the community we're in is called Cedar Point. This is out here in Manteca, California. It is built by Lennar, which is one of the best builders in the nation, like I had said at the intro. There are 5 different neighborhoods in this community. They are building 797 homes, and there are 15 model homes that you can actually access to see what they look like, to be able to choose from, which is great. Now, only one of those is a single story. Now, the square footage on all these homes is between 1,245 square feet all the way up to 3,300 square feet. The price range is mid 500 up to mid 700s. They also provide you with the fridge, solar, and battery backup, and that is all included in the price of the home. Now, almost all the homes have a bed and a full bath downstairs. So that's another thing. If you have visitors coming by or something, they can always stay downstairs and they got access to everything that they would need. Now, they're also building a 7.5 acre park in the community right now as we speak. So that'll be something that's exciting for the kids in the neighborhood. And there is no HOA, which is fantastic. Now, you do want to consider there is a Mello-Roos tax of 1.7% annually. So that is one thing you're going to want to know. Lennar also offers great mortgage rates, which is another thing to take into consideration when you're thinking about moving into a new community. So if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more info to know when thinking about relocating to Manteca or one of its surrounding cities. You got questions or comments or plan on moving tomorrow or 2 months from now, doesn't matter, reach out, I'm happy to help. Now click on one of these 2 videos to help prepare you for that move, and I will see you in the next one.